Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here and we're going to make some felt fortune cookies for Valentine's Day. We got lots of Valentine's crafts, so John David Berdahl is here once again, so tell us more about it.
Sure, yes, and so these are felt fortune cookies. They have Valentine's fortunes inside of them. I've got some right here for you.
Yeah, super cute.
And yesterday.
Lots of different sayings here.
These are the sweetest little things I've ever seen.
So cute.
And such an incredible idea for Valentine's Day. That's not necessarily all revolved around sweets. You know, you don't, a lot of young children, you can't really give them candy or something like that. So how cute.
I guess I better put the candy away.
Oh, no, that's for us. I got the young children.
We love candy.
Okay, so John David, tell us all about our felt little fortune.
Oh, yes. Okay, so you start with, concerning starting. Gosh. The groundhog saw a shadow.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We didn't even mention that.
Happy Groundhog Day.
Yeah, happy Groundhog Day. You know, in Fargo and in this area, we always get 6
We knew the answer.
Yeah.
Before that sweet little Phil woke up from his slumber.
We said, go back to sleep.
Yes, we've got our love to keep us warm.
Yes.
Okay, so what I did was I cut out a circle.
Okay.
In the felt first, and I already prepared those for you.
Yeah.
And so the circle, I just found a thermos at the apartment that I do rent, and I just took the cap, and what I did was I just, basically pressed it down into the felt, and that created a sort of imprint.
Okay.
That could be followed.
That's so fun that you found that in your apartment, just an everyday item.
Yeah, and it's really that easy most of the time. Okay, and then I've got some of these fuzzy, sort of bendy kind of pipe cleaners.
The pipe cleaners,
Yes, exactly. So I took one, and I did, so I took one and I started to bend it like that so it'll fit inside of the circle.
Yeah, let's see how he's bending it. So it's like a zigzag.
Yeah, I bent it like that so it'll fit inside the center. All right, I'm going to take this scissor and cut off the end there. There we go, cut off the end. Then I'm going to twist it. There, so it's kind of one piece, you see? I just twist it like that.
Okay.
There.
And you only bend it 3 times, right?
Well, yeah, I found it looked like 3 fit right in the center.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in the center of this, right there, with the hot glue gun. And so I got a hot glue gun at Walmart. It's supposed to be low heat.
Okay,
so we'll see. We'll see. Oh, boy, I'm gonna get burned on television. Oh, golly.
Okay, perfect.
So then just in a line.
Yep, just a straight line.
Okay.
Yep, so that's what I'm doing. I'd hold this up, but then I definitely would get scalded.
I've cut the circle. I've twisted the pipe cleaner.
Yes.
Good. So there's the glue.
And now we will glue the line.
And so now I'm going to put that in the center.
Okay.
Like so, yep. Let that sit for just a moment.
Very cute.
I didn't even pick out a message. Oh my gosh. So we've got love yourself the way you are. That's neat. Your fortune is simple. Someone loves you.
So cute.
Somebody loves you.
Delightful. And then,
there's lots here.
Yes.
And it's good fortune to spend time with the ones you love. Love takes many forms. You are fortunate to be loved. I love that one. A little pun in that one.
That's neat.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to grab this one over here because it says eat dessert first.
Some folks' real love language.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
There we go.
Okay,
So
I'm picking one too. Yep.
Sure, and
Go
so
ahead.
I fold it in half just to make certain it fits. There we go.
Uh-oh, I'm gluing my fingers.
See, that's why I let it sit for a moment.
See? You can't trust me with anything on these crafts, I tell you
Oh my
what.
gosh. There we go.
Okay.
There. So I do believe it ought to be pretty. There.
Sticking to everything.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not touching that glue for a moment here.
Okay.
I picked out my Valentine
Good.
message.
What does that say?
Mine too.
No cookie is as sweet as you, Valentine.
Oh, wow, that's stellar. Okay. So, I was about to say, yes, I am.
Yeah, he's like, and I know it.
Well, yeah, I make certain to be. You know, it's something you got to work towards. Make an effort, right?
And you at home could be joining in on a class that John David Berdahl offers.
Very true.
You or your kiddo or anyone.
Yep. Okay, so we've got this.
Okay.
It looks like it's glued. Okay, I'm just holding it up. I folded, all right, the little fortune in half, like that. Okay. And so I'm going to take it and I'm just going to put it on top of, like
The dried glue.
Yeah, the dried glue. Then fold it over.
Let me air mine out just
like that.
Just in case.
So I folded it over, with the fortune inside. And then all you have to do is sort of bend it
Oh!
into the shape. There we go.
You guys, this is so cute and so easy. I love this.
Yeah. So I'm just bending it now.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm putting in the Valentine. We're doing a
Let's kinda
pancake
curve it.
fold.
Let's kind of curve it. Now,
It's
some
like a
people,
little dumpling.
Oh yeah, exactly. That's what I
Truly.
was thinking. So here we go. Here's this.
A lesson in felt fortune cookies and homemade dumplings.
I got a pink one here, and so you can hand these off to the person you do adore. or something like that.
Yeah,
And here's
your
a little
Valentine.
message.
Adore.
Or others too.
Okay.
All right, lovely. And I think it's so cute because this one says, you will soon receive unexpected kisses. And you said that we can do bigger ones where you can put the kisses in it. So that's so cute.
Some people do
Oh,
do that.
wait.
They'll
Okay,
put
yes.
these inside of them. Now, you'd probably have to find something a little bigger.
Yeah.
Than this, a little larger. So
And
you
then
can have
you'd
a lid,
put-
like a coffee can sort of lid. perhaps.
Okay.
That may
Yeah.
hold a candy in it.
So do you think that you put the kiss, like one kiss in the middle and then fold it
Yeah,
over like that?
probably like
Okay.
that.
Sounds
Yeah.
good.
And then a message too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wait, mine, I don't know. Mine's doing a Pac-Man moment here.
Really? Wop, 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 wop.
Yeah. I'm like, how are we coming on in, buddy?
Gosh.
Bring it on in.
What happens when Pac-Man sees his shadow?
Well,
His shadow.
he just keeps going on eating. He just keeps living his life.
The ghosts get him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. No, now I'm scared mine's wrong.
Oh, no,
Leave
no,
it
it's
to
not.
me where I'm like, it's so easy, so simple, so
It is.
cute.
Maybe just like keep shaping it.
Yeah,
Shape
that's all you
the
have to
pipe
do.
cleaner.
Is just kind of bend it.
Which one's supposed to be up?
Oh,
Is that the way?
It kind of goes either way. I'm just going to
See,
take
help,
it here.
help.
See, really, it's okay because for me, I just kind of bent it in a bit like that.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
there we go. That's
Yeah.
what's making the
Kind
divot
of
in.
crossed them, yeah. Kind of crossed them over a little bit like that.
Yeah,
There
cute.
we go.
And
Okay,
every
perfect.
dumpling is different.
Yes.
Right. I'm like, how did
Yes.
I do mine wrong?
Yes,
So
like
excited.
there. So that ought
Okay.
to work. Yep.
All
So
right.
There's that.
That is
So
so
now we've
easy
got-
and
yeah,
so cute, you
many.
guys.
Okay, love
Uh-huh.
this.
I love it.
Felt
Oh,
and a pipe
Valentine's
cleaner
Day.
Yep.
and a
that's
little
neat.
dab of hot glue.
And some love.
Yep, that's really it.
And some love. Okay, do we have your information to put up on the screen for how folks can get a hold of you? Tell us
golly, I
all
do
about how
hope
to
so,
sign
yeah.
up for a class.
Yeah, so I'm
Yeah.
on Facebook, so you can find me there, John David Berdahl, Aspie writer, artist, musician. I've got an email address too, johndavidberdahl@gmail.com. So you can check that out. There's a phone number too. So that's 701-353-9721.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm on Instagram and Twitter too. You can see everything. Like I take pictures here so people can see what we did.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
exactly. Exactly. So yeah, I teach these sorts of classes, also the foundational sort of classes for community education, Plains
Yep.
Art Museum, North Dakota Autism Center.
All right. He
All
does it all, folks.
Yeah, no kidding.
Always great to have you on. Thank you so much. Yes, we love it. All right, coming up, we have plenty more, including your eye on entertainment. It's right here. Don't go anywhere. You're watching North Dakota Today.